Hi there, my name's Stuart Wider and I'm the author of HeatMap Theme. So, what is HeatMap Theme? The HeatMap Theme is a WordPress theme with 23 ad-ready widget positions, and they're designed so that you can experiment and optimize ad placement on your blog. Or to put it more simply, if you've got some great content and you want to monetize it using Adsense ads or other ad networks, then this theme has been created just for you. So, how does it work? Well, I'll show you in 4 easy steps. Number 1, head on over to your Adsense account and grab some code for your ad. 2, paste the ad code into a HeatMap theme ad code block. 3, select which page types you want your ad to show for, then save it. 4, HeatMap theme creates an ad widget for you, which you can drag and drop onto one of the 23 ad widget positions. And then you're done. Your ad's good to go. So, is that all there is to HeatMap theme? No way! Once you've got the basics down, HeatMap theme has an extensive range of options to help you fine-tune your blog. Here are just some of my personal HeatMap theme favourite features. Pro Skins. HeatMap theme comes with a ready-made collection of pro skins which you can use to add an instant splash of colour to your HeatMap theme blog. Go maximal or go minimal. If you prefer to strip your blog right back to basics so there are less distractions for your visitors, then with a few clicks in the options page you can turn off sidebars, nav bars, the header bar and comments so all your blog shows is your content and your ads. Squeeze mode. If you would like a thinner format for your blog, maybe for a sales page, one click in the options and it's done. Google Ready. HeatMap theme allows you to easily integrate Google Custom Search, Analytics and FeedBurner right into your HeatMap theme blog. Details on how to use these features and all of the other HeatMap theme features can be found in the HeatMap theme User's Guide, which you will have access to when you purchase the theme. There's even a video-based installation guide to help you get up and running. So, check the demos, read the features list, and if you have any pre-sales questions, contact me. I look forward to seeing you on the HeatMap Insider Forum.